Hello everyone, welcome back. Today let us learn about diminishing returns to variable factor and why doesn't it happen. The effect of output of variations in the factor proportion is called law of variable proportions. This law examines the production function with one factor input variable while other factor inputs remain unchanged. If you get into the definition, the law of variable proportion is defined as the quantity of one input is increased, keeping the quantity of other input fixed, then the output increased in the beginning decreases afterwards. So let us see. Tabular representation. Suppose a farmer has an acre of land to cultivate. The amount of land and capital are supposed to have fixed factors. Then the farmer can vary the number of labor to be employed on its cultivation. If you see, the labor is increased from 1 to 8. Total product is increased and decreased from 6th. And if you see the average product, it is also increased and decreased at the same time. Then the marginal product is defined as stage 1, stage 2, stage 3. It increases and then decreases and then goes to negative. We can assume that the land is fixed here and the successive units of labor are employed. It can be seen that there are three stages of law of diminishing returns. So let us see one by one. Law of diminishing total returns. In the total output, the returns begin to diminish from seventh labor. Every successive labor employed does make some addition to the total output, but sixth adds nothing. And seventh unit of labor causes diminishing output. So you can observe here seventh. From 7, it decreases. So that's the case. Law of diminishing average returns. The average product reaches maximum at third labor. The marginal product and average product are equal. The point at where fourth labor are employed. And it starts diminishing from fifth labor. Let us see. Marginal and average product of fourth labor is same. Average product and marginal product. Yes, 7, 7. And it starts diminishing from the fifth. Next. Law of diminishing marginal returns. The marginal product is increasing up to third layer and the additional return is falling from fourth labor and outwards till it drops down to 0 and sixth layer labor and after negative. So let us see. See, to 7 it increased and then at fifth labor it starts diminishing and at seventh labor it onward into negative. So let's see. This is the graph representation of three stages. In the above diagram, output is shown as y-axis and number of labor is shown as x-axis. The curves EP, AP and MP represent total out product, average product and marginal product. Okay. Next. First stage, increasing returns. In the first stage, the average product of labor increases, which reflects the increase in efficiency of labor. Here the stage is known as increasing returns. Second stage, constant returns. In the second stage, it shows decreasing average and marginal product of labor. Since the total output goes on increasing, the marginal product is positive. But the efficiency of land continues to increase where the efficiency of labor decreases. Third stage, diminishing returns. In this stage, the average product decreases still further and the MP, that is marginal product, becomes negative and TP, whereas total product starts decreasing. Hence, in this stage, both labor and land efficiency has been inefficient. The assumptions or conditions for law of variable proportions. The law of diminishing returns or the law of variable proportions has some basic assumptions or conditions, which is constant technology. We have to maintain and cope up with the constant technology in the modern society. Short run, homogeneous factors, and factor proportions. Thank you and have a wonderful day.